The Meghalaya Farmers Empowerment Commission is organizing a two-day stakeholders conference on promoting apiculture in the northeastern region at the State Convention Centre on the theme NMR testing for honey and the creation of honey database for Northeast India. Addressing the gathering, Dr. A. Lele, Director NCL, said no honey samples are taken from the same bee, the same region or same farm. They are produced at different times of the year. He also said that the NCL group prepares the right samples to analyze and perform the statistical analysis to define the purity of honey. To make the participants understand more about promoting apiculture, the Commission also conducted a technical presentation.
We will discuss a few points about the roadmap that is about to come forward after this meeting.
Remove one honey sample from the same bee, from the same region, from the same farm, but produced at different times of the year or produced on different years will be identical. They will never be identical. There is going to be a variability. And therefore, the statistical analysis of the NMR data is as crucial as producing the data. And I think what the NCL group has managed to do, and you will see it in the presentation, is to put all of these together.